I've been on a bit of a cartoon kick of collecting Nissan 350Zs. So here we have a Koto-Ari. It's just a stock street version with some 3D printed wheels and brakes. And then this is obviously some sort of race livery from the Drift Championship in Japan, the D1 Grand Prix. And it's bone stock. I haven't adjusted anything, not even the ride height. I should probably adjust the ride height on that one day. But the gold wheels are pretty funky, so even though those are stock wheels, I like them. But every now and then I branch out and get the little Chibikkos, which is the size down. So you can see how small they are, right? Maybe it's not quite half the size. Maybe it's like 2/3 the size. Anyways, so let's take a closer look here. Now, if you look at the images behind, that's the only red, white, and blue-ish 350Z I could find. So if anyone knows if this is a real race livery, please leave a comment, but I'm gonna guess it's just something that Toonedx2 made up there. So hold on here, get a better wide angle. Boy, this thing has been through the ringer. This is a mess. So I'm gonna guess this is actually played with by a child. You can see it's taking some abuse here. Or maybe that's just some grime. Maybe I could polish it out. These are Chibikko wheels, standard wheels there. Let's see how old this guy is. 2003, so that's pretty old, obviously. And it's number 9, the casting, that is. So, number 9, there can be many liveries within this number 9. I have no idea how to find out. There's no central resource for Choro-Qs or Chibikkos. But anyways, this one, naturally, it's an interesting paint job. It got my attention. I like it. Looks like a race car. Just a little bit stained. Okay, so a little bit of a logo there. Maybe we could see some better details on this one. So we have that familiar 350Z copper orange color. And so yeah, we have the recesses here for these like reflectors or the turn signals, not sure. I think this is clear, just like the windshield. This is just all painted. And again, this one's got a bunch of grime. Hopefully I can polish it out. The door handle is sticking up. There's even an antenna stub or something, right? That's all it could be, right? Interesting. Why would that be there? Strange. Okay, see, yeah, it says number 9 again. This one here is the painted taillights. Yeah, it's clear. Fuel fillers over here. So not bad considering how small this is. 03 as well, so same year of manufacture. And this time just chromed wheels. Okay, so there's really not much else to it. You saw the size comparisons. Let me put these up on their own though. They should, every model or every toy gets to spin on its own. Yeah, I'm not sure if I even... Well, I got this Mario Brothers figure. He's red, white, and blue. He's a little bit big though. These are some small toys. But I like miniatures, and so I find it interesting that they could make something so small. Not even a scale model, but pack a lot of details into a small object. That's what I like. Okay, well, thanks again. I'll see you in the next review. Bye.